Welcome to Math Subtraction Strategies. A quick reminder that this is just an overview of all the strategies. It's in no way teaching you each of the strategies, but it's really good to sometimes just see them all out in front of you. And it's great for it before you've learned the strategies, and it's great as a review. Let's get going. Remember that before we begin, remember that in subtraction, order matters. Everyone say it with me. In subtraction, order matters. That's right. Let's say it one more time. In subtraction, order matters. One more housekeeping. Remember what a friendly number is. Remember that for you, a friendly number might be slightly different. I love working with tens, hundreds, anything with a zero at the end. That for me is a very friendly number. Sometimes for me, fives are a friendly number. So 75, 5, multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Finding a friendly number is essential for subtraction strategies. All right, drum roll please. Now for the strategies. Strategy number 1 is remove a friendly number. I have 25 minus 14. And I'm looking at it going, well, let's look at 14 first. What do you know about 14? We know that 14 is made up of 10 and 4. Ooh, 10 is a friendly number. Why don't I try subtracting that first? I take my hammer, I break up 14, and then I get 25 minus 10 minus 4. 25 minus 10 is 15, minus 4 is 11. Let's look at this on a number line. I have 25, I take away 10, and then I take away another 4, and I get 11. Nice. Next strategy. Remove a friendly number, but you're going too far. What does this mean? I'm going over. What? Okay, well, 25 minus 14. 14 is close to 15, which is a friendlier number than 14, especially when we're taking it away from 15. Well, if I take away 15 from 25, it means that I took away too much, and so I have to add 1 back. 25 minus 15 plus 1 is how you would write it in an equation. Then I get 10 plus 1, which is 11. This one is really nice to look at on a number line. I have 25, I take away 15, and look, we know already that the answer is 11, so this is a great way to see it. We went past 11. 15 went way past, 15 we went, not way past, we went past 11 to 10. Now we're at 10. We took away too much, and we have to add 1 back. This would be like if you had 25 chocolates, and you said, you know what, you can take 14. I'm happy to share 14 with you. And I'm like, oh, okay, great. And I take 15 chocolates. And you're like, whoa. I actually said that you could take 14, not 15. And I'm like, oh, sorry, here's 1 more back. Next strategy, strategy number 3, subtract to a friendly number. This one is a really, my brain doesn't always find this one, but when I see it, I'm like, oh, that makes so much sense. 22, see, everyone's brains are different. 22 minus 14. You're looking at this and you go, well, 22 is very close to 20. What do I have to do to 22 to get to 20? Yeah, I got to take away 2. Well, good news is there's 2 in 14. I know that 14 minus 2 is 12. And I'm going to take that out. And then I'm going to do 22 minus 2, which is going to equal 20. And then I have to take away 12 still. And then I get 8. Let's look at this on a number line. I have 22, I take away 2, and now I'm at a friendly number. I'm at 20. Yay! Yay for 20, it's friendly. And then I'm going to take away another 12. I'm going to take away 12 to get to 8. This is a great opportunity to combine strategies. My first strategy, when I removed a friendly number, I could look at 12 and go, well, 20 minus 10, which is a friendly number, is 10, and then minus 2 is 8. Strategy number 5, find the distance. This strategy is really cool because when I was a student, I never really thought of subtraction this way, but in real life, I think of subtraction this way all the time. Why would I not solve problems this way on paper? Instead of trying to get to the answer on your number line, what if we just looked at 25 minus 14 and we were thinking, well, we have to find how much is in between that. That's what we're really finding, right? I'm going 14, 15, 16, 17. How much do I have to count to get to 25 from 14? How much is in between? What's the distance between it? You know what that means after this? I'm going to be unloading some dishes. Sorry for the interruption, everybody. Here we are, 25 minus 14. I gave you a chance to think about it. 14 plus what equals 25? Well, 14 plus 10 is 24, plus another one is 25. Therefore, 14 plus 11 equals 25. Therefore, the distance between 14 and 25 is 11, which means 25 minus 14 is 11. Last strategy, shift the distance. 44 minus 19. Let's just right away look at this on a number line because I think it'll help you see the strategy better. If we're thinking about finding the distance between 19 and 44, what if I just shifted that entire distance up or down? I can shift it up and down by 1 or 2 or 4, but let's just shift it by 1. If I shift it by 1, that means that I now have 45 minus 20. I shifted 19 up to 20 and 44 up to 45. 45 minus 20, way easier to me than 44 minus 19. I have friendly numbers to work with and I know it's 25. How awesome is that? Those are our math strategies for subtraction. I want to know which one you like working with. How does your brain work? Which one worked for you the best? Which one did you're like, yeah, that one makes a lot of sense to me. I totally get that. Let's keep on doing great math. Good job. Keep up the good work.